Where's the keys for this?
Keys are here somewhere. There.
So that's the extent of the damage I did to it.
You didn't do any damage.
Exactly. So I took a hacksaw to that for a couple minutes and I did absolutely nothing. I broke the coating on it.
1 minute.
1 minute, pardon me. And that's the best we could do. If you have a hacksaw, you're going to be doing this for a few hours.
Yeah. Is that from me? Or is that just how it's made? Because I did hack at that point. Let's see. It might be from me.
See what's on the
I
other
made a
side.
dent.
See what's on the other side.
Okay. Let me get this off.
No, on the other side of this.
Oh, okay.
'Cause you got
How do
that
we
too.
do that? Scissors? Would that work?
Yeah, try.
I don't know how I'm gonna do that.
Okay, maybe not.
No, the coating's too rough for scissors. We could hacksaw through the coating on the other side. Yeah?
No, let's try the, try that again.
Hacksaw?
No, the,
Bolt
bolt
cutters.
cutters. Hacksaw's not gonna do
Did
anything.
I make a difference? Yes! Okay.
Whoop. Yeah.
That's as far as I got before. I feel like if I was stronger, I might be able to do this.
Here.
Okay, you take over. Do you want me to hold the thing for you?
That's it.
Use the ground.
Alright, pull it out, see what we did.
Okay. Well, we again ripped through this part here. So let's look at the damage. The plastic coating is a little bit resilient, actually.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
And looks like we may have actually done some damage. Let's see if we can clear this up. Plastic coating resistant to bolt cutters, not to scissors.
How's it look?
It looks dented,
Really?
yeah?
Nice.
In a couple places. All the places we put it, it's dented just a bit. If we could put it on the same place twice, we might be able to actually get through it after a while.
Bring it back over here, we'll try it again.
I think we should get a picture of the dents.
Yeah, actually, go ahead.
So I'll show you. That's from us, and the first time, and those side ones there are from us again, the second time.
I'll hold it and then take some pictures with the camera.
Okay.